Hey there. So today we're going to go over a couple of the indicators, let you see how I find strong stocks and strong trends. So what I'm going to do is switch on over so we can get started. Okay. So we're going to use TradingView, and I have some overlay of indicators on top of it. So we're going to show you how to use those. Okay. So the main thing is we're going to be looking over two different things. There's a lot going on, I know, but this right here is number one. Okay, this is looking for strong stocks. What this indicator is designed to do, it's multi-time frame, has 5 different time frames. It has code behind the scenes that's doing all the analysis and saying, do we think institutions are flowing into this stock strongly? Because at the end of the day, retail traders typically don't move stocks. It's the Warren Buffetts, the Black Rocks, just Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan. They can move stocks all around. We can't. So therefore, I'm saying, are they moving it around? And if so, I'm going to join the party, right? So when we want to join the party, this says go up. Okay. So each morning, I'll go through my stocks and I'll just start scrolling through them. That's watch. I'm not interested yet. Watch. So again, those I'm not interested in. But what I've done is each morning I tend to sort them in categories. So let's see what this one is. Put it on the daily time frame. Watch. So I think I went ahead and rewound it because we're going to do a live stream. Okay. So that one was a green go. Let's see if we can find a few others. Let's do Apple. Or what's another good one? Valero's seen some good activity from Venezuela. Let's see here. I'm going to trying to find us a good one. Schlumberger has done really well lately. So Schlumberger, what they do is they basically are part of drilling Venezuela. They have some kind of AI department, which really helps them with figuring out how to drill, where to drill, items such as that. So ever since we're thinking of getting Venezuela oil, Schlumberger has been one of the stronger stocks. So I'm going to switch it to a 10-minute candle. So every tick is going to be 10 minutes. And then what we're going to be doing is, while I normally focus on the green goes, this I think will turn green. Then we want to combine it with the stop light. So again, caution, we just want to sit tight, look at a different stock. When it goes green up and we have a green up, that means it's time to play. So let's go ahead and just let it start playing out. Okay, so it's a red down. We want to just not touch this thing. Let it do its own thing because we don't want to be part of it. When these 3 turn green, we'll most likely get a green go. So this is 15 and it needs to get up to about 22. And it takes a while to change the 4-hour timeline. So what this is doing is we're not looking to eat a whole burger. Look at that. Okay. Sorry, I was way below. But anyways, to go with the analogy, we want to eat the burger. The buns, we don't worry about. Let somebody else get from here to here. And then if it goes up way up here, we want to get from here to way up here. And then when we sell, it may still go up a little bit more. That's okay. We don't need the end pieces. We need the safest part of the meat. Okay, so right now we have a go up. We have a go up. We've had it probably, I know for a few bars. I'm going to switch it down to the 5-minute now. Now this is actually, the screen shows that it's in an uptrend and it's starting to curve down. And this right here says it got overbought. So we'll typically get a little bit of a relief rally, and then if it goes above it, that should stay green. And if it drops, we'll obviously get it to become red. So let's see what happens. Oh, and if you'll notice, this is no longer green because we lost the 4-hour time frame. So again, this is sensitive. Can you find gringos? Definitely. And when you get it, you're most likely going to win. Nothing's guaranteed in the stock market, but this gives us an advantage. Okay. But you can, I mean, right now we have a strong green. I don't know what's taking the 4 hours so long. Go up, go up. So we should be in a good scenario. So this is something that I'd be buying. And if it goes below this dotted line is when we sell. It's still not 20, I'll be darned. Okay, I'm going to pause it. So you can see right now we've had a great run. So winning spot. Here's the part that would start concerning me. I've coded this where when it's a buy, an RSI over 50 means it's moving up. When it gets to 70, it's saying, whoa, I'm a little overheated, I may pull back. Overheated, 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 overheated. I don't know what's happening here. I'm wondering if I've never seen that. It's overbought, but yet the trend is still, I'm not certain why the trend on that is so low. That is really surprising. But anyways, we have goes. We would keep that up. We would exit if it goes below here or if that turns red. But yeah, that's how this indicator works. So what we'll do again is, you know what, we'll just leave it at that. I think that's a good explanation of how this indicator works. This one's pretty simple. Green go, get them to match, ride the wave up. If you have a red go, or where it says red down, that is where there's something called puts, where you're betting on the downside, or they have inverse ETFs that every time the stock market goes down by a point, you get 3 points, basically. So anyways, we'd be betting against the market. We would not want to have money invested. When we have the green goes, this is a dude, put the money in because you're going to let it rise. Okay, hope that helps. I will talk to you later. Bye.